Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here is food menu flare in PSD, AI and EPS file. Here is EPS file, but these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in offer time. Here is offer to offer password. The app 60% off and premium data is 50% off in 6 days. Okay, follow this page Sheri SK and subscribe me on Telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every video of link first here. Okay, and I know you know how to edit this. It's very simple. Just rename or update your menu. Okay, your image here and the same thing here. Your image, insert your image. Here you can mention your detail. Okay, and you can change everything. Now okay, now, and here in black you can adjust your photo here. Egg rice, sweet cookies. Okay, our menu. Here is EPS for Adobe Illustrator. Here is a preview. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe our channel and download this app or download this data for in offer time. Okay, take care, love.